What is up, guys? So today we're comparing an old flagship to a new mid-range. Which one is best? Well, let's find out.
So firstly, let's talk about the Galaxy A34 5G. This is a great new mid-range device from Samsung. There's a lot to say about this device, for Samsung really knew how to squeeze in the perfect amount of resources in this device, while other manufacturers are trying to add more RAM, cameras, and a bigger display. This is just the middle ground of a perfect mid-range and a flagship device. It's really a well-built device. And this is the iPhone 11 Pro. The first one from Apple, found with not 2 but 3 cameras. This device was a game changer and still is. We know that Apple devices don't get old as quickly. Even after 4 generations of devices released by Apple, this still holds up very well. From the cameras, processing power, and its well-built design, it still feels as good and fast as it can be. So the question is, how does it still hold up? Well, let's find out. So let's talk performance. It's the Apple A13 Bionic versus the MediaTek Dimensity 1080. Well, one thing I won't be doing is putting these chips against each other with scores or stress tests, but I'll be giving my final opinion after using them for the longest times. And I can say these are good SoCs. They both feel fast enough that you can't even tell the difference. In my everyday usage of these phones, I didn't feel the need for a superior chip, especially on the Galaxy mid-range. Games load fast and apps open instant, but truth telling, these are good chips, enough for you to enjoy your device for years to come. Let's talk cameras. Well, I can say that the difference here is visible and yet again invisible. I'm sure you're asking how. The Galaxy, as known, has a huge 48 megapixel lens, which is advanced and has more pixels and superior processing behind the photos, while the iPhone has an old hardware of a 12 megapixel main lens. And after testing these phones for the longest time, I have to say the iPhone is good with the ultra-wide and the telephoto lens, but the Galaxy seems to be much greater with its main lens. So let's wrap this up. The question is, will it be an old flagship or new mid-range? But asking for my opinion, the Galaxy A34 is great value for your money. It's not only new, but it's also better. The iPhone is still not bad, but it's missing a lot of new features found on current devices. But let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed. Consider subscribing. See you next time. Enjoy your day. Peace.